device from doctor. I don't know what's this good for. The charge to these dots is light up, like there is a screen here with the numbers. But at the moment, he said the charger, like when they plug the charger, they hear some bad connection, like sparks, all light they turns on. So before it should be just one light it turns on when you charge or something. So I'm gonna take the cover and we'll look at it. So already unscrew the cover, and this is how it's look inside. This one is just LED lights. So there is a board with the traces and going to the LEDs, and there is a controller board right here. So that's the charger over there. So they were using this charger from Radio Shack. Must be is very old because the Radio Shack is not anymore in the business. Yeah, this is not the right charger. You can see how it's wiggle. Plus, look, this charger, it has 3.5 and all this voltage, and it's set up at the 5 volt. So if we plug it to the power, I don't see anything. He said all the lights they turns on, but at the moment I don't see anything. Even if I wiggle the charger here, it's nothing. Definitely this charger is need the right one, because it's not make a bad connection. So 5 volt, it's came to here, but it doesn't go to here. There is another wires. Yeah, no 5 volt. No, this one needs to be pulled. So 5 volt. Alright, we have 5 volt now. I hear a sound. Charger wire, they come to this area. Oh, look here, it's look like something is, this is a capacitor burned. This capacitor, see, it's look like, yeah, it's burned. Hmm. 90 ohm. I was testing like a 90 ohm. So let's test it now. 277 ohm. That's the ground. Well, that's the positive. Yeah, this is the positive. One in the doctor office. Flip this. You can see this plug is plugged like this way or plug it like this way. They did put a mark over there, but if it's by accident, like someone plug it, it's gonna reverse the polarity. And that's what it's caused, the capacitor right here. There's capacitor and another capacitor. You can see the smokes right there to burn. So I'm gonna solder a regular capacitor, because this one's just for filtering. All right, let's plug it and see what it's doing. So now, yeah, we have the sound, it works, and we have 0 right here. Okay, let's see if we can it's going by itself. You can see the lights is going by itself. So when I called the doctor and asked them how this board works, they told me like even if I don't have to put no specific code.
Hello. Got that A+ for you.
So you can see lights here. So the doctor told me when you turn it on and you see the light, if you press on it, you should hear a sound and the light goes off, then the light is shows somewhere else. But now this light is stuck here. And he said we may try different codes. But this one, it just keep going by itself. So basically the device is still not working right. All right, let's check the transistors. Zero 0.6, 0.9, so okay. The emitter to collector is a 0.6, 0.6. Mm-hmm. 0.7. So we check for short. So I check all the transistors. There is no short in them. And I check the resistors. The resistor is good. So 1 kilo ohm here. 10 kilo ohm should be here. There is some diodes. So already been checked. Diodes are good. Yeah. Open line. The crystal. So here is another transistor over there. So basically, and I don't see any transistor, resistor. Could be one of these chips here. We have the processor. This is a display processing chip. You can see is connected to the screen. Okay, this is a flip-flop chip. This one here is a CMOS chip, the read-only EEPROM, and this is read-write EEPROM. This EEPROM, it can be programmed, but we need a special device. Plus, we need the program in case if this one is bad. The doctor told me that he contacted the guy who made this board. You can see it is made like wood and like a handmade board. The engineer who was making this board, he passed away, and so there is no help. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start replacing chips by chips. I'm gonna start with the lower cost, then we go from there. All these chips can be replaced except this one because it needs to be programmed, and we don't have the program, can't do nothing to it. We're gonna start with these ones, these two here, and we go from there. But we can tell this chip likely it works because we have the display. We can change the numbers. The buttons works. The processor works when we push the power button. It's keep going, like the lights. The EEPROM likely it works, because if EEPROM dead, we are not going to have nothing on the screen. No zeros, no numbers, nothing. This one, it's work with the EEPROM. if this one is bad, we're not going to have no display as well. So I'm going to start with these two chips. Yeah, because these two chips, it works like as a RAM and as a, it will be the clock. Okay, so we check this. Yeah, I spent hours searching online to find the equivalent of this chip. Because they don't make them anymore. Okay, let's turn it on. Alright, so it still turns on. That's a good sign that the chip basically is not bad. Alright, here we turn it on. It works. It works. So let's turn it on, and here if we click, where they are. And as fast as we go, we can like, if we are a little bit slow, it doesn't count. Now we missed too many, that's why it doesn't work. So let's start again. Yeah, you can. I scored 4. I think this board is made for the eye doctor to see the timing between the eye and the reaction, like how fast you are. So I scored bad in this test. You wanna try, boy?
Huh?
You wanna try?
Okay.
Alright, let me put it. So turn it on. Okay, turn it on now from the bottom, and go quick. How much he scored? 6. Better than me. Good job, Amir. I'm using 1 microfarad capacitor.
Okay.
We can do this one as well. So I'm going to try to put a diode. In the future, they don't reverse the polarity. So I'm just going to use a rectifier diode.
Let's test the diet. Yep, the diet works. And we can use it. Yep, let's keep it here.
for the diode to cool down. So now even if by accident they flip this one, the diode is gonna save the device. Yeah, it works. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you again.